To remove SD card from Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is grab your phone, and on the left side of the phone you can find the SIM tray and the pinhole right here. From here you have to grab from your box, which comes included, this SIM tool. Simply put the pin into this pinhole right here and push all the way until you feel the resistance. And as it is all the way in, from here you have to push until the SIM tray ejects, just like this. And from here you can grab it with your nails, and even though your nails may be short, there is no problem to grab the SIM tray and take it out with your short nails, just like this. And as you can see here, you have the SIM tray with these cards, SD card and the SIM card. And simply to remove the SD card, all you have to do is you can just push from the downside of the SIM tray. You can push the card from the bottom, or simply just take it out like this, because it is loose in the SIM tray. It doesn't actually fit in, like it doesn't lock right here. It's just loose, and you can take it out with no problem like this. So that is basically how to remove this SD card from the Redmi A5.